Okay, so I'm back. So this is the service mode distribution. So okay, there's a knock spin. So this is the water filling for these slots. So yeah, so this is the water filling. Look at this. This is so dangerous. Whoa. Oh, this is so dangerous. No way. I have it too. Oh, they flood the house. Oh my god. They flood the house. So I'm not testing the service mode spin anymore. Why? Because they're dangerous. So many dangers. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. This is so dangerous. This is so dangerous. Oh my god.